Red lips are not so red as the stained stones kissed by the English dead. Kindness of wooed and wooer seems shame to their love pure. O love, your eyes lose lure when I behold eyes blinded in my stead. Your slender attitude trembles, not exquisite like limbs knife-skewed, rolling and rolling there, where God seems not to care. To the fierce love they bear, cramps them in death's extreme decrepitude. Your voice sings not so soft, though even as wind murmuring through raftered loft. Your dear voice is not dear, gentle and evening clear, as theirs who none now hear. Now earth has stopped their piteous mouths that coughed. Heart, you are never heart, nor large, nor full like hearts made great with shot. And though your hand be pale, paler are all which trail your cross through flame and hail. Weep, you may weep, or you may touch them not.